Cookie would hollow swing. Da, da, da. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2,
Can I just pull you back a little bit? I'm just checking your metronome speed. Just kind of about 144 instead of 116. I mean, it's not very spooky if you're running around too fast. Okay. A bit more cautious. Yeah. Just before the beat. Yeah. Now, it's very easy on bars like bar 11, and the similar one later on, I think it's 27, to slur.
Yes.
Yeah.
I play like slur. Yeah.
The second note is marked staccato. You see what I mean?
Okay. Yes, yes.
Yeah, the temptation is always going to be dum, dee-da, dee-da, and slur there. Especially younger students will do that. Yeah? Yeah. And not too fast. It's only moderato at the beginning. Okay.
Okay.
That's good. All right.
Way out, way west. Da 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 da.
What do you think about putting some pedal in the middle section?
Reasonable.
Just for the middle part. It's a contrasting sound, isn't it?
Yes.
And then straight. I think that works.
Right.
Yeah? Okay.
Mm.
Another suggestion, in bar 6, I tend to separate. Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah. Good. Okay.
Sleeping Beauty.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Interesting. It says at the beginning, à la valse. Yeah. It's not that
Yes.
fast, actually, is it? 120. Although it's normally quite a. Yeah. Doesn't want to go too much faster than that. But waltzes tend to be one in a bar feel, like that grade 1 piece from earlier. Do you remember?
Yes.
So da da dum ba da da dum da 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 dum ba da dum bum. Just try and feel the one, and just a little lean on the first of the bar. Not too much accent on the second and third beats, otherwise it just gets ploddy.
Not too much waste in second and third beat, right?
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah. Now, are you going to just go straight into that by surprise, or just maybe slow down?
I don't want to slow down.
You don't want to slow down. Just a
yeah, you are slowing down.
Yeah, oh, it's a B natural.
Not a B flat. You think that's better? You think that's better?
It just sounds a little bit abrupt to just play that chord, which is totally out of place with everything else. And then suddenly, where did that come from? But if you sort of ease into it by easing off the speed, it's not quite so abrupt. And then the next section, a little bit softer and mysterious. It says menomosso, so slow. Yeah. Yeah. Still trying to keep the sense of the three going. Dum, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Dum, 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 bum. Yeah. Okay. Still a waltz, even in the section. A bit strange. Yeah, it's still part of the waltz, isn't it?
Okay. A staccato here.
Yeah.
The third beat of 19.
And then tempo 1 back to normal 3. Dum, da, 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 da. Yeah. That's it.